Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will tell you about algebraic formula. We have completed exercise 4.1. Now we are going to start exercise 4.2. Before starting exercise 4.2, we will know about algebraic formula. Number one formula is a plus b whole square. That is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Do second formula. Second formula is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b का square. Now third formula. Third formula is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What will be equal? A plus b whole square plus a minus b का whole square. If I am writing here the values of a plus b whole square and the value of a minus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus this one. Now a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Look, plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel out. Now 1a square is 2a square, 1b square, 1b square, 2b square. Here we will take common 2 a square plus b square. So a plus b का whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2a square plus b square. We have proved. Now the fourth formula is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Now again we will write the value of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here is minus, so I will write here minus and bracket. Start bracket a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus minus plus 2ab minus plus minus b square. Look, minus b square plus b square minus a square plus a square cancel out. So 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab. So proof. Understand how the fifth formula is a plus b plus c whole square. We will solve this. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We will open this. Then a square plus b square plus c square. I am taking common 2 and 2. Plus 2 common, remaining is AB plus BC plus CA. It's your proof. Now sixth formula is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And a cube, I am taking common 3ab here. 3ab and in bracket a plus b cube. It's your proof. Now, number 7. Number 7 is a minus b whole cube. What will be equal? A minus b whole cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now a cube, I am taking minus 3ab common, a minus b remaining, minus b cube. It's our proof. Number 8 formula is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b cube. And number 9th formula is a cube minus b cube. That is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A square minus b is equal to a minus b, a plus b.